thrills and surprises, extremely dangerous challenges, video games in real life, cutting-edge technology. All will be revealed. Get ready for this adventure. Wow, what are they doing? This is the famous Kyotoshi ritual at the Onbashir Festival, where massive wooden pillars slide down a 35-degree slope with brave men clinging tightly to the logs. Fascinating, isn't it? Logging in special conditions like burned forests or high-risk fire zones comes with extreme challenges and risks. It takes true courage and powerful teamwork, with everyone standing shoulder to shoulder in these challenging conditions. When sweat and smoke blend together, it creates a truly dangerous challenge. Accidents can strike at any moment. The Volvo L350H, one of Volvo's largest wheel loaders. Look at those massive grapples, aren't they incredible? Wow, it's lifting the entire load of logs from the truck at once. Absolutely incredible. I bet it could lift the whole truck if it wanted to. Wow, check out the size of that log being ground up. This machine is absolutely mind-blowing. No doubt about its raw power, wouldn't you agree? This is unbelievable. I think this machine is in a league of its own. Ready to see what a real log splitter can do? Let me introduce you to this incredible beast. Absolutely incredible. Watch how these logs split instantly into perfect pieces. Equipped with a high-speed hot saw blade, watch this monster take down a tree in lightning speed. The power of this machine is absolutely unstoppable. Don't you agree? Look at this. This giant machine is absolutely incredible. It moves like a mechanical monster, devouring each tree and transforming them into perfect logs in just seconds. Each row of trees is harvested so neatly and smoothly. What do you think about this machine? Let us know in the comments below. Wow, picking up these massive logs onto the truck is no easy task. These logs are so heavy they keep lifting the rear wheels off the ground. Can it handle this challenge? Let's watch how this wheel loader deals with it. Wow, the tail of the truck is dancing. What a tough day for this skilled operator. Anyone want to give this job a try? Raise your hands. This truck is hauling logs out of the forest. Let's see how many meters it can carry. Wow, that's incredibly long. With loads like these, we won't have any forest left soon. Truly impressive. How about this truck? I think it's just as impressive as the previous one. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. These freshly cut massive trees are incredibly heavy, and with this muddy terrain, these tractors need some extra help. Come on, you mighty bulls, can you make it through? Perfect, everything's running smoothly now. Do you think this will be an absolute win? I bet this stump will be crushed in seconds. Yeah, maybe we need an even bigger stump. The Lemex stump shear is a specialized attachment for excavators designed to crush and remove tree stumps. With its powerful gripping force, it transforms tough tree stumps into small pieces in seconds. Look at that incredible power, right guys? Talk about power and efficiency. This beast features a complete closed loop system that turns everything, from trees to leaves, into sawdust and whisks it all away, leaving the area spotless. This machine crushes everything in its path. It's a formidable opponent when it comes to forest clearing. Watch as it transforms everything, trunks, branches, and stumps, into pure sawdust. Now that's what I call a monster grinder. Want to see more epic monster logging machines? Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new beast machines.